Chris Whitehead here with the Culinary Resource Team. Today we're going to talk about Creekstone's Black Angus Beef Chuck Flat Meat. It's also known as the boneless short rib. It's packed 10 2-packs per case, and with fall and winter upon us, let's talk about some great menu applications. 3 great ideas for short ribs are a banh mi sandwich, the traditional short rib with roasted potatoes and vegetables, a pappardelle pasta tossed in a demi and topped with fresh Marcon herbs. Today we're going to build the pasta application. First, you want to sear all sides of the short rib to lock in the flavor. Next, you want to saute your carrots, onions, and celery. Then add a little bit of demi to the pan, simmer for a couple minutes. Now add the vegetables, your demi sauce, and short ribs to a hotel pan. Cover and place in the oven. Have your oven already preheated to 350. 2.5 hour cook makes it fork tender. Leave it in for another half hour up to 3 hours for shredded. Okay, now that we've pulled our short rib out of the oven, we've shredded it, and now it's time to build the pasta dish. First, you want to start with a hot pan. Get your shredded short rib going. Add about 4 ounces of your demi. While this is simmering, drop your pasta. After the pasta's ready to go, you want to drain it. Leave that pasta water on there. Toss directly into your pan. Give it a few good tosses. Now that we've got everything tossed in the pan, let's get it plated. First, you want to pile it high in your bowl. Put a nice scoop of ricotta cheese on top. Top with your fresh Marcon herbs to finish it off. There you have it. Great fall winter menu idea. Braised short rib. Enjoy.